Whole grains for fiber and energy after gallbladder removal. After gallbladder removal, your body undergoes significant changes in how it digests food, especially fats. Adopting a balanced diet can help ease digestion and maintain energy levels. Whole grains are a key part of this diet, offering fiber to support your digestive system and complex carbohydrates to provide lasting energy. Here's a simple guide to the best whole grains to include and how they can help. Why whole grains? Whole grains are unprocessed, retaining their fiber-rich bran and nutrient-packed germ. This makes them an excellent choice for 1. Improved digestion. Fiber promotes bowel regularity and reduces common post-surgery issues like diarrhea. 2. Steady energy. The complex carbs in whole grains prevent blood sugar spikes and provide lasting fuel for your body. Top 5 whole grains to include. 1. Oats. High in soluble fiber, oats are gentle on the stomach and help regulate cholesterol. Enjoy them as oatmeal or in baked goods for a nutritious start to your day. 2. Brown rice, a versatile grain that's easy to digest. Brown rice is packed with fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Pair it with lean proteins for balanced meals. 3. Quinoa, a gluten-free grain rich in protein and fiber. Quinoa is perfect for salads, soups, or side dishes. It's also quick to cook and highly nutritious. 4. Barley, known for its chewy texture, barley is excellent in soups and stews. It supports digestive health and keeps you feeling full longer. 5. Farro, an ancient grain with a nutty flavor. Farro provides fiber and essential minerals like magnesium, helping you stay energized throughout the day. Tips for success. 1. Introduce gradually. Add whole grains to your diet slowly to allow your digestive system to adjust. 2. Drink water. Adequate hydration helps fiber do its job without causing discomfort. 3. Mix and match. Combine grains with low-fat proteins and steamed veggies for balanced meals. Whole grains are an easy and effective way to support digestion and energy after gallbladder removal. By including them in your meals, you can make recovery smoother and healthier. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.